Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how to change your MacBook screenshot location. This location edit change depends heavily on the tool that you use to take your screenshots. But the Mac or the MacBook default screenshot method is using this QuickTime player. So once you click on it, it is open. Unfortunately, I cannot open it because I am already using it to record the video, my screen. So I've already took a picture, and let me show you what I see when I open the when I open QuickTime. So this is what I am seeing. This is the Docker. When I click on the QuickTime, I see this bar, and how I take screenshots, I click on this first icon, or all of those three first icons can be used to screenshot your screen. The first, I think it's the entire screen. This second icon for screenshot only a specific window, or this for screenshot only the selection. And to change the MacBook screenshot location, click on options and select save to between desktop, documents, mail, messages, QuickTime, or other location. Now this is how to change the screenshot location for MacBook for QuickTime player screenshots. Now for other screenshot applications, this depends heavily on the app. So in my case, I use this app called Screenshot or Lightshot Screenshot. This is it. Let's open it. It is once it is opened, it adds its own icon here. So when you take a screenshot, this application lets me save it wherever I want by hitting this save button. So now I can save it in the desktop application, download, etc. In your case, or on the majority of screenshot applications, just click on it, go to preferences, and it will give you the ability to change the screenshot location, saving location. For this light shot preferences, the preferences are too limited. And this is how to change your MacBook screenshot location. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.